What exactly is causing this error?
Not this.
954.
Not this.
Everything is correct here. Let me try Googling it once.
This is so frustrating and hard.
I should learn something, at least right now. Yeah, what should I do? Yeah, I should learn Java. Come on, let's try it now. I thought we can learn Java in a day, but I can learn the same Java in 40 minutes. Come on, let's do it.
A few moments later.
Are you a developer and have problem like Xanthus Quarantine? Presenting you DevHub, one application for all your developer needs. Quarantine might have taken a toll on us, but it can never stop us from achieving our true potential. This one application is there to help all these enthusiastic coders and developers to learn and grow from wherever they are. Within our app, you can ask doubts related to any subject, get expert opinion and answers for the same, explore your subject and your interest, find your code pal, support and contribute for the community, learn your topics from people who already know it, communicate, connect, chat, learn and grow with them, all within a single application. Now kindly join me as we dive further into this topic to learn how unique our application is and as to how it is helping our developers to learn and grow every day.
As you can see here, you can register for your account. So you can choose your profile picture, you can set your username, email ID, password, your gender and the skills you have gained till now and create the profile.
Once the registration is over, the user will use the same email and password he gave during the registration to log in. The user can type her doubt or error with which she is facing a problem and give some brief explanation to that error. And she can also add some photos if required. They will have to select the technical skills required, which would take their question to the harmonious developers around them.
See that a developer has posted a certain doubt regarding Android Studio. Since I am an Android developer and had selected that skill while registering, I can view and reply to her question. Once I type the answer, I can submit it, after which she would be able to see my answer and have her doubt cleared.
When the question is answered, the user gets a notification that somebody has answered it. Then the user can check the answer.
Yes, this sucked. Hang on.
And can reply them back personally.
So in maps, I can see who and all are the users of this app and I can communicate with the local developers nearby to me. So here I can see one person and I can view his profile and I can message him.
As we can see through the notifications, a developer has sent us a message. Having to see that someone has sent us a message through the notifications is very convenient. We wouldn't miss any messages. The developer is very happy because of our help. His code worked. Yay! I'm glad that she learned something today. After all, helping each other out positively is what we strive for.
Here I can see my profile. I wanted to update my profile picture. So I'll go to edit profile. So here I can update my profile picture and my password and my mail ID.
I was editing this video and came through some problems while rendering. I was able to use another application to complete it, but I want to know what caused it. So I'll post a question on DevHub with the error details after selecting the relevant skills it comes under. Experts and professionals who have knowledge in that field would help me and reply back with the answer. Never stop learning. If at all you want to log out from the app, it's as easy as a pie. Just press the logout button and you'll be logged out, while your data is securely stored encrypted on our cloud.
For creating the Android application, we are using the latest version of Android Studio and IntelliJ. We use Kotlin as a primary language. We design the front end of our app using XML. We try to use lesser number of third-party extensions in order to make the application as fast and secure as possible. comprising over 11,000 lines of code, we were able to get the stable application up and running in just a span of few days. For creating the unique icons and to provide the best UI possible to the user, we used Adobe XD. Firebase is used for the backend storage. A few of the services used include analytics for user understanding, authentication for authenticating users, real-time database to store and retrieve the data real fast with LiveSync, Google Cloud configuration for additional functionalities such as Map SDK, chat communication, file storage to store user data, push notifications, and the list just goes on. We also use certain SDKs and plugin extensions such as Picasso and Google Maps SDK in order to provide additional functionalities to the user via app. We designed the application to work using UID, meaning that one user would not be able to access the data of the other user. Each message sent using the chat option in our application gets assigned with a unique message ID, meaning that only the person to whom the sender wants to send the message to. This way, the data is very secure.
Coming to the challenges faced while we were working on the project. So 3 challenges were very important to us. We had a plan of doing it with a traditional database and PHP for the backend management systems, like connecting the users to the database. But this was found to be very clumsy. At the same time, we had an issue of sending notifications to the users, which is not possible with normal PHP and MySQL. We need few more frameworks, and that was our first challenge. And coming to the second challenge, we had never worked on social media kind of platforms. And coming to the last challenge, solving all those errors, and we thought that we may not finish the app, I mean the sense like the deadline of the competition, but we successfully did it, and cheers to our teams.
DevHub is like a backbone to the developers of tomorrow. The flexibility of the app, which lets users to perform multiple tasks on the same platform, makes it very beneficial like an all-in-one pack. In fact, these kinds of apps are very useful for hard times like these. The app creates a strong and connected community of developers all over the world where they can help, collaborate, explore and learn with each other. So we, the team of VPN, thank each and every member of the committee for giving us such a great opportunity to explore and enhance our skills and also to build the app successfully. Thank you.